this video, I'll show you how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting randomly. What you want to do is you want to open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type these 4 commands. So you want to type the first one, ipconfig space /flush DNS, press enter, then do the next one, then the next one, then end it with netsh space winsock space reset. So just type this one in, enter, then this one, enter, then this one, enter, then this one, enter. After you've done this, it should say you must restart your computer, but we're just going to wait with this. So just close it down after that. And then what you want to do after this is you want to search for troubleshoot settings. Come in here, additional troubleshooters, choose internet connections and run the troubleshooter on this one. Once you've done that, you can close it down. Then search for VPN. We want to make sure that we don't have a VPN on, so make sure there's no connected VPN. Then search for proxy settings, and we also want to make sure that this is turned off. Once you've done this, you want to come here and search for device manager. Open it in here. Go to your network adapters, and in here you should have your Wi-Fi network. Now you want to find your Wi-Fi network, and you can find that by searching for view network connections, and it should be right here, the name of your Wi-Fi network. Now I'm on the Ethernet, but yours should be the Wi-Fi. Then you want to right click on it in here, update the driver and update it from in there. Once you've done that, come in here, right click and disable your internet, and then right click enable, just so it restarts real quick. And then what you want to do is you want to just restart your PC, and after that it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.